Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the cooler, the chiller for the coffee beans. I got a new hot air popcorn popper. Actually, it's not new, it's the old Poppery one from the 70s, and I got a half cup of Jamaican Blue Mountain, and man, it is kicking up some cash. When this hits the right temperature, I'm going to pour this over into the chiller. We're going to see how well this thing can cool it down. By the way, it is cold out here today. Really cold by Texas standards. It's only like 35 and hasn't gotten much above freezing all day. I haven't gotten to the first crack yet. But also haven't reached 400. It's usually when I hear that first crack. But different varieties vary. And this, like I said, this is a Jamaican Blue Mountain tea berry. Yeah, I'll come back to this later. I'm going to end this right now, let this finish, and then because I really want to show the cool down method. Okay, now we're ready to go for the cool down. I have to hold it down because I don't have it mounted all the way yet. Looks like a bunch of Mexican jumping beans. This blew off most of the chaff, so there wasn't a lot of chaff left on this. Cooling down pretty darn quick. And there we go. Okay, got another half cup going. I'm liking this Coppery 1 from West End. It can go for a long time. It can get up to the right temperatures. Doesn't cut out on me. Here's the first half cup. Let's try it tomorrow. See how it is. Yeah, I'm really liking this so far, without any modifications. Oh, there's the first crack. There we go. And this cooling down unit worked really well too. Now this time I used a half a cup, and well, I actually used more than half a cup. I used almost a cup, and it's definitely working better. I'm getting a good crack. Plus it's heated up because this is the second batch that I've done within the last half an hour or so. This is looking good. This is pretty cool because as the coffee roasts, it takes on more actual physical size. So now it's getting where it's almost popping up out of the popcorn popper. And we're just starting on the second crack. This is the first time in one of these I've actually ever heard a defined first and second crack. So this is the second crack. What's the temperature at this point? Okay, there's my temperature right there. First little. Okay, here we go. Pulling it down. I locked the lid down on this so I don't have to hold it down, and man, it's a bunch of Mexican jumping beans. Losing a few of them. Maybe I should have used a deeper dog bowl. Definitely cools them down quick. They're already cooled down. That's it. That's it. It's already cooled down. Just disconnect the hose there and dump the beans. Couldn't be any easier. Couldn't be any easier. I'd definitely give this little gadget a A+. Oh, I got some more coffee to roast. Okay. Well, I'm gonna get to the roasting.